Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Stupid. In this video I am doing this green and brown look, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So as you can see, I've already got my brows on, and today I used the Beauty Express for Brows and Eyes by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I will just move on to priming my lids, and just like last time, I'm just going in with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer by NYX. And today I am using the Twilight Eyeshadow Palette by Model's Own. I think I'll just start by going in with Forest, and I will be putting this all over my lid, I think. And now I'm just going in with a fluffier brush, and I will try to blend this out a little bit. I think that blended out everything and it got kind of light, but I'll fill that in later. Now I think I'll be going in with the color Shadow, and I will be putting this in my crease and blending upwards. And now I think I'll be going back in with Forest, just to freshen up the color on my lids. Like so, and I think I'll be going in with a bit of Moonlight, and I will just be applying this with my finger on top of Forest. And I can't really decide if I should just go with a black liner as usual or if I should go with this green one. Oh my god. Maybe black, because I feel like this green one is like almost the same color as the lids, so it will only disappear. So for liner, I'm going in with the Cake eyeliner from Makeup Store. Now I'm going in with the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline, and I'm taking the black side and putting it in my upper waterline. And for mascara, I'm going in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. Like so, and now I will be moving on to my face, so I will just turn off the camera for a moment and I will be right back. And I'm back. So next I'm going to put my brows in place, so I'm using the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. Now I will be finishing my eyes, so I am going in with Forest first, and I'm putting this below my lower lash line. And I'm also going back in with the color Shadow, and I am blending the green a bit with this. And now I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner, and I'm putting the white side in my lower waterline. And now I'm going back in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara, and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. And now I will be finishing my face, so I'm using the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics, as per usual. And I'm starting with shading, so I'm using the colors Maffei and Cigar. And for blush, I'm going in with Andromeda. And for highlight, I think I'll be mixing Virgil, and Milky Way. And for lips, I think I'll be going in with a brown. I don't know, I feel like it could look good. So I'm going in with the Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick by NYX. Maybe? Yeah. And this is in the color Downtown Beauty. Like so. And for lashes, I think I'll be going in with the $1 Million Baby Lashes by Stella Beauty Makeup. I don't know. So I will be putting these on off camera, and I will be right back with the finished look. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I call it the Snake Charmer. I think it turned out kind of pretty, actually. I like it, the green with the brown and everything. And I hope that you enjoyed this too. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see in another video. And I will see you next time.